African wild dogs vote before they hunt. Not with sounds, not with signals. They vote by sneezing. Each sneeze is a yes. When enough dogs sneeze, the pack moves. When they don't, the hunt is canceled. But here is where it gets strange. If a dominant dog starts the vote, the pack only needs 5 sneezes to move. If a lower-ranked dog starts it, the number climbs to 10. The same biology. Different rules depending on who is asking. This is a weighted democracy running inside a living animal. So what happens when the vote is tied?